Welcome back to my channel, guys. It's your girl Helen of Troy here with another vlog in the camera, officially vlogging in the camera. I finally today got the USB-C reader so that I can export my videos on the SD cards and be able to, you know, edit my videos. So you guys are going to be able to see some of the videos prior to this. Let me know what you guys want to see. Today's video, of course, is going to be a hair video. So I was waiting for my hair to dry. I washed it earlier this morning and I only have a little bit of product in it, which is just some conditioner that I use to detangle my hair and like a leave-in that I put in, and I feel like it looks better than the Olaplex. I'm gonna finish Olaplex, you know, just because. And today we're gonna be doing a hairstyle I've been procrastinating to do, which is a sleek back braided ponytail. And you know, because I'm tired of wearing my hair natural. I've been doing no heat for almost 2 months, going on 3, and so that I just can enjoy tanning, because I was obviously tanning. I'm going to be doing my hair. We're gonna start off by doing the ponytail, and I'm gonna do a straight back, you know, no part. We're gonna do it in sections so it can be extra sleek since my hair is curly. I was gonna brush it out so that when it dries, it is, you know, kind of like poofy. So that's what my hair is gonna look like when I get back to you guys. And then I'll show you what it looks like when I'm doing the braid. I'm gonna do, instead of 1 braid in the back, I'm gonna do 2. So it's pretty much self-explanatory. I don't think I'm gonna be talking while I'm doing any part of it because I have to focus. So what I'm gonna be using though is I have this double-sided brush and a rat tail comb, like one of these edge brushes. I have my Eco Styler and then the Shine and Jam, of course. And then I have to get a brush so I can brush my hair out. And I did get some of these, you know, red colored hair ties along with the braiding hair. Okay, so let me go brush my hair out and I'll get back to you guys. Guys, this is the hair, as you can see, brushed out and dry. So since I'm listening to music, and I said I was not going to like speak and do the video because I want to brush my hair and do it, and it's hot, you guys are just gonna see me do a voiceover. I've done this hairstyle many times before on my channel, so it's not like the first time I'm doing it, and it's pretty self-explanatory. It's just sleeking your hair back. So what I'm gonna do right now is actually I'm gonna split it how I had it when I was brushing it out. So I'll give you guys this portion of it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this hair up like this, like buns. And since I'm not adding heat, I'm not doing like the heat, putting the blower to dry the hair up. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm just gonna show you guys, is I'm gonna have it like up here. So I'm gonna put some gel. I could tie it with one, and then I'm gonna tie this to that one, okay? Self-explanatory, it's not that hard, guys. So I'm gonna start with the gel. I'm gonna put it on the brush.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair, yeah. So
saturate, not 100% saturated, but as saturated as possible. You don't want to put too much product if you're not gonna have, if you don't like a lot of product in your hair. I'm actually gonna go get the Got2b glue that I have. Or I should just use the spray, right? I don't like the spray because it makes my hair like, I don't think Got2b works on my hair like that, but I'll be right back. Okay, So this is the glue that I have. That got to be glue gel. I'm gonna use that much. Since I have gel on my hair already.
That makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can ride on the side. Baby, I'm
since I'm doing it on myself, the way I do my ponytails is I put my head backwards. So I'm gonna do that so I can get the maximum like lift to where I want it.
I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't want to leave, you know why.
But since this is going on the inside, I just mostly care about this part being, you know, sleek. And I don't want my hair to be like super tight because this braid will last me like 2 days. Now, we're gonna do one side and the other side. Same steps. But different thing is that we are going to do one side at a time and take out the edges.
Wouldn't wanna bleed, even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my body. My mind, and my heart, my body. I don't know what.
Half of the reason I have muscles is because of my hair. Doing my hair requires a lot of arm work.
I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, to my body so.
2 ponytails. So, making sure this is sleek to the fullest. We'll leave the edges for like, we could do the edges now. Why not, right? Now that that is on and secure, I'm just taking a little bit of the Shine and Jam and putting it on the hair while I'm separating like just about half an inch. Just random pieces that I'm gonna be feeding into the braid. I don't think I need it to be that long because I'm gonna have 2 and then while going to the gym, I don't know, we'll see. My hair's already pretty long. It's just a different hairstyle that I'm gonna be doing. Okay, so we do though have to saturate this hair with some Shine and Jam because it needs to be, even though it's not the same red, it just needs to be like kind of like sleek too in a sense, but so that it could tuck the right way into the hair. And I said this wasn't gonna be like a talk through video, but because I feel like they're longer when I'm talking through the video rather than just doing voiceover, but we'll see. So I'm gonna split this into 3 even sections. The section of the hair that I put, which is split into 2, into 3. As you can see, like there's a color difference, but that doesn't bother me. Like, it is just hair. So my hair is a little bit on the more burgundy side. Just, you know, have to get to using this hair. And the last time I did this, used this hair, was when I did like some box braids. So we do have to leave a piece out though to go around the hair. Like, you know, this part right here. And we're gonna do that for both sides so that it has some, you know, some hair to cover enough. But what I like to do so that it doesn't show much of my natural hair color is try to bring that hair up and then, you know, kind of spread it out and cover my hair in it. and braid it inwards. It's a little bit hard to explain, but you know, like if you're putting on a sock over your pants, pretty much you're covering, you know, the pants. So with the sock, so that's what I'm doing. And then I'm going in this piece right here where I have my pointer finger, and I'm just gonna grab it right there, and as I'm braiding, I'm gonna braid that in. And you see how you can see some of my natural hair. I'm just gonna flip. That's the best way to describe it. Look, I'm flipping that hair. On the other side it might look different, but like on the back side of the braid. But I'm just gonna flip that hair to cover it. Feed in the hair is wherever I have hair showing. When I'm back to that finger that I told you guys, so you see, just going like this, going like nice and tight, which when I'm doing box braids is a little bit hard for me, but my neck is already hurting. But it's gonna be worth it. Pain, beauty is pain, okay? Yeah, see the edges already talking. They talking back. I'm gonna try to use the thickest pieces so that when I'm going down, it is not thicker at the bottom. So I try to use the thickest pieces. But even if you're using thick pieces, you have to tighten it. Like the key to having the hair look like cohesive, no matter how thick the piece that you're adding is to keeping, like, you know, keeping your grip. Keep it nice and tight. And if you need some, you grab some of that Shine and Jam to tuck that hair. So I have that piece right there, you see right there. Then I'm gonna grab my middle finger, the one that's on the outside, and bringing it in. If you know how to braid your natural hair, this shouldn't be too hard. It's just kind of different when you're trying to explain it to somebody, and then rather than just doing it, you know, just do it like Nike. But how you know when to add, it's like, let's see right here, it's too thick, so I'm gonna wait till I go down and I'm on the side that's a little more, you know, that needs more love. And you grab a piece and you add it, and you just keep braiding and adding. So I know when I keep adding or how much I added. So I used one piece on my hair and then one piece to braid. Usually I just braid until I want to stop. And keep it tight. The tighter you keep it will determine like how thick the braid is gonna be. Like if I was to keep it loose up here, it would still look, you see how like back here you can see the dark, my natural hair color, but if I was to keep it loose, it would have looked the same thickness. But since I'm not adding more hair, I'm just keeping it tight. I'm gonna keep braiding down until I get to the bottom. See, it's long, but it's not too long, you know, not too dramatic. Sometimes I do it like to my knees. Not to my knees, but almost to my knees. And then just repeat the same on the next side. If you want to do this with just one braid, then, you know, it would have looked like this and you're all done. But I'm gonna do it on the other side, get back to you guys, because it's the same steps. Okay, so braids are done. So right now I'm just gonna braid this together, like by using this to flap it, you know, wrap it around. For this, I'm gonna use lots and lots and lots of this product, and then brush it out. Just wrapping it around so you don't see the hair. but I might need some more to wrap it around here, because as you can see, those hair ties are still there. It's not the best looking, but it's going to do what it's supposed to. Hopefully in the back it looks like nice, like how I think it does. Or at least you can't see it anymore. And that's the finishing look, guys. I hope you guys like this video. I'm just gonna cut this like little piece down here, like this diagonal. Let me know what you guys thought down below of this hairstyle. Would you try it? Let me know what you guys thought. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what hairstyle you guys want me to try next to show you guys. And stay tuned for more vlogs and more hair tutorials and videos. Just tell me what you guys want to see more of, honestly. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, Helena Troy with 3 underscores. And TikTok the same, Helena Troy with 3 underscores. And Spartan family, I love you guys so much. Thank you for being a part of this journey with me, and I hope you guys are liking the content. I just noticed though, the whole time I forgot to turn the light back on, so there's gonna be a discrepancy with lighting in the video, so totally my fault. I'm gonna take accountability, but thank you guys. Bye.